I have been using Rize every single day for 7 months now, but probably if you are getting started with this time tracking app, you have questions like how to turn off and on the automatic time tracking, how to add projects, or what plan is the best for you. Don't worry, I will answer these questions shortly and guide you through step by step on how to use Rize, or at least how I use it in my own business. As an extra, I will share 5 valuable features that you probably miss or will miss when getting started with Rize. Just a heads up, if you use my link and coupon code below, you will get a discount of 25% on all the payments in the next 3 months. Let's dive in. Hey, it's good to have you here. If you haven't seen my videos yet, I am Aaron, the guy who helps you to find the perfect productivity apps so you don't have to spend time and money. You can find the link to Rize in the comments and description. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my newsletter below to get instant access to my list of best productivity tools with exclusive discounts. When getting started with Rize, the first step is to download the app, as it only has a desktop version, so there is no other way around to use it without the desktop app. You type your email here and you will get the link to your email account. And basically you only need to install it, which takes around 1 or 2 minutes, and that's it. In the next step, I will share the first things you have to do with Rize when using it. When you log into your Rize account and open the desktop app, the first thing you will see is your home. It is the heart of your app, where you can access the key metrics you need quickly and turn on and off the timer. Before taking a deep dive into the automatic time tracking and how to use it, let me give you a quick tour on where you can find the key tools that you will need while using Rize. On the left, you can find all the key features. However, if you click on this icon, you can access some useful settings, view options, tracking, developer tools, and more. Honestly, I don't use these functions too often, but it's good to know that you can find these options here whenever you will need them. Going back to the features, the next tools you will see are the timer, activity, personal and team overview, projects, clients, and tasks. And lastly, you can access some productivity tools and insights. If we move a bit below, you can find a small command center with shortcuts. Also, there is a support and the settings. When you enter the settings, you will quickly realize that there are dozens of options to customize your time tracking experience. The key setting you should not miss out is the activity. With this one, you can specify your time zone, time format, and most importantly, the automatic time tracking schedule. Using this setting, you can automatically enable and pause tracking during the selected time frames. Moreover, you will find here the work hours target and customize your non-working categories, idle exempt categories, and day cutoff time. Navigating back to the main screen, you will access some further tools. Below, you can turn on and off the timer, enable auto advance, and switch between sessions. On the bottom right corner, you have the option to select some background music for your peace of mind and adjust its volume. Now, it's time to see the time tracking feature. Tracking time with Rize is simple. If you have the automatic time tracking schedule I showed you previously, basically everything will work automatically. Now, the daily summary on the right side is quite useful, as you can get a quick overlook of how you spent your time so far. Nevertheless, you can change it to weekly, monthly, yearly, or custom views. It is useful to see the time breakdown by projects, clients, tasks, and categories. Rize categorizes your time spent into activities and sessions. In short, the activities show exactly what you did during this time frame. For this, Rize analyzes the website and apps you used and will categorize it. After, it will automatically create a session based on your activity. There are 3 types of sessions: breaks, focus time, and meetings. If you move your cursor here, you can access some more detailed information about what activities you did or what were the top interrupters. If you go to the timer, you can start a new session, and Rize allows you to add duration, goal, project, client, and task here. This way, you can set dedicated time sessions for specific activities, for example, client work or learning. Furthermore, you can add activities, time entries, and sessions manually. Just select the time when you want to add, choose the parameters, and click on Save. After this step, you probably know how to use the timer. So now I will show you how to add your clients and projects and track your billable hours accurately. If you are still here and found this video helpful so far, please give a thumbs up and subscribe so I can reach and help more people. Also, subscribe to my newsletter for monthly insights and exclusive discounts for the best productivity apps. You can find the links below. Now, let's move forward with the clients and projects tools. I already created a few sample projects and one client for this video, but let's add some new ones. Let's click on the Clients tab and hit the new client. Write the name, some keywords, select the color, time budget, and click on Create. Now we have a client, so we can add projects to this client and check the time spent and revenue. Creating projects works similarly to creating clients. Click here, select if it's a personal or team project, add name, keywords, color, and as you can see, you can select your client here and apply a time budget. Let's hit Create and we have our new project. The same goes for adding a new task in Rize. You can access this feature right here. I will insert some time entries manually, so we will have enough data to give you an idea how you can track your client and project time with Rize. I just finished adding some time entries, so let's see the Overview tab. As you can see, the Overview tab offers a good overall picture of how much time you spend with each client, project, task, and whether they are billable or not. You can filter on weekly, monthly, and yearly time frames, but Rize allows you to choose the custom range as well. Furthermore, you can dig into a specific client's or project's data to get a better understanding, but you can also filter on team members. At this stage, you probably wonder how you can use this data or how you can analyze it in more depth. Stay here because I will share some quick tips on how you can utilize this data and supercharge your productivity. Just a quick reminder, if you want to give a try to Rize, use my link below, and if you will upgrade or maybe upgrade in the future, I recommend you to save my coupon code to ensure you will get this time tracking app at the best possible price. So, Rize offers numerous ways to understand your work habits and ultimately improve your productivity. Here, you can access the key features to analyze your time management and performance. The trend shows you some interesting information about your time management. Rize utilizes the sessions to break down your workdays. That said, you can see your focus score and how much time you spend with focus time each day, along with the top interrupters. Also, you can access some crucial data about your breaks and meetings. Another helpful tool I recommend to check out is the goals. With Rize, you can set goals for minimum work hours, distraction limiting, and meeting time reducing, and it will help you to measure and achieve these objectives. Furthermore, if you click on the insights, you will receive some personalized recommendation and metrics from Rize on how you spend your time, but most importantly, how you can improve. And lastly, Rize sends you daily reports of your time breakdown and productivity metrics via email, but you will receive weekly, monthly reports as well about your efficiency and how to maximize your time. If you are still here, congrats! You probably have the knowledge to get started with Rize and don't get lost in the features. But if you want to know a little bit more about this productivity app and use it like a pro, I recommend it to stay a bit longer because I will share 5 valuable features that you shouldn't miss. First of all, Rize has a smart break notification that helps you to create better working habits and assists you in preventing burnout. Using this feature, you will receive desktop notifications suggesting that you should take a break after working for an extended period. Personally, I can say that it helped me a lot to build some must-have breaks into my workdays. Secondly, Rize offers customizable categories for your activities. Go to the home, click on one of the activities and hit Edit. Here you can see how Rize categorizes your activities. Let's say I want to change this category as it connects something else. Hit the arrow and select the one that applies. Let's say none of them fits to this activity. If you scroll up, you can create a new category and Rize will apply this category to the website or the app in the future. Essentially, this feature helps you to diversify and personalize the activities you are doing on a day-to-day basis, and in the end, it will help you to get more accurate metrics and data about the actual activities you are doing. The next feature I want to share relates to privacy. Go to the settings and you can access the relevant options here. What you need to know about this compared to other time tracking apps: Rize only collects lightweight metadata and does not spy on your activities. However, you have the control to customize this, so you can exclude apps or websites from tracking, but also redact the data. An additional tool I recommend to check out is the ClickUp integration. I know many of you guys use this project management app on a workdays, so it can help a lot. With this integration, you can automatically silence members and tasks and push time logged in Rize back into ClickUp, which makes it easier to manage your projects. Lastly, it is not that popular tool yet, but Rize offers some team management features, which makes it an ideal tool for agencies. As you can see, I have this one right here. Basically, it will help you to track your entire team, time, projects and client work in one dashboard in real time. What I want to highlight here is that after testing 10 or 15 time tracking apps, I found Rize is the less invasive time tracking tool, and this is one of the reasons why I use it. So I believe it's found the right balance between the privacy and efficient time tracking. Now let's take a look at the pricing plans of Rize. With the free plan, Rize retains 1 day of data and offers a timer and goals view, a desktop widget, focus metrics, music, distraction blocker, and the break screen. As you can feel it includes mostly the basic features, so it makes it ideal only for personal use. Nevertheless, Rize offers a 1 week free trial, so you can test out more advanced features, so you will have a better understanding what you can expect from this time tracking app. The standard plan is $9.99 monthly if choosing the annual billing. If you want to have the monthly billing, it is $16.99 per month. It includes all the dashboard views, customizable categories, daily and weekly reports, AI productivity insights, and an AI session planner. And most importantly, Rize retains all tracking data. This plan includes some advanced features, which makes it an ideal solution for individuals and maybe professionals who want to use Rize for work. But if you want to get the full Rize experience, I recommend to go with the professional plan, and this is the one I use. The professional plan is $23.99 monthly if the annual billing is chosen. In case of monthly billing, it will cost you $39.99 per month. You can access projects, tasks, and client tracking features and integrations. It is an excellent choice for business owners, freelancers, small businesses, especially for agencies, thanks to its wide range of client tracking features. That was it for today, guys. Let me know what you think about Rize, or if you have any questions about it. Also, feel free to check out my newsletter and website where we discuss the best productivity apps. Catch you later.